There was a lot of debate about fixing the paint on this boat, and a lot of work. In the end, I decided if I was going to redo the decking, I might as well clean up this terrible paint job that was filled with drips. They even painted hardware instead of masking it off. I was fortunate enough that my parents let me use their shop to do all of the sanding and painting. I went with the air spray technique, even though the manufacturer claims the paint can be brushed on. This also meant I needed to use a xylene paint thinner. I settled on this rust-oleum primer and calculated I would need 2 cans to cover the square footage of the boat. One of the reasons was the claim it would work with previously painted surfaces. It also dries quickly, which allowed me to do both coats on the same day. This topside oil-based paint claims to be durable and stand up to tough conditions. I have had a few scratches during the restoration project that I need to touch up, but overall I was happy with the color.